Good morning, guys. How is everybody? Saturday, driest day of the week, so we're come to do a fence repair. It's a customer who I worked for probably like 2017, 2018. It was pre-COVID anyway. It was ages ago, and I've worked so much for him. Just little bits here, there, then one big massive area of turf. But it's a fence repair today, so I've got 6 posts to replace, but what a palaver we've had. So I've glanced in my book this morning, 6 o'clock this morning. Right, we need 6. I couldn't remember if it was 6 or 8 posts. Right, we need 6 posts, plain slotted posts. Went to Woodworks Timber, whose hat we always wear. Went to them. They don't sell them. They've never sold them. I've spoke to someone because I've got a quote in my book, you know. No, don't sell them. Right, so I go to Farmac, other wagon that you always see. They don't sell them. Never have. Straight away just went, nah, never have sold them. They don't sell enough. So I went, right, sound. So where can I go? So I've got a Woodworks Timber in Bradford. They've got everything. Everyone buys from them, to be honest with you. So I went down there. They've got 150 anyway, so it's fine. Got to site, not even slotted posts. So we left the house at 7:30, got to site at 9, so it took us an hour and a half to go around and find everything. Got there, talking to the customer, just glanced over, and I just noticed that there weren't even slotted posts. There were bloody planed posts, so they're like, are they 94mm or something like that, whatever. So I'm off on my way back now, just to go buy some from Woodworks Timber, where we first started out this morning. They've got some in, so I'm going to go over there. But I shall transfer you now over to the other camera and Tom taking the fence down because I've dropped him off. So, catch you soon. Right, guys, that's it. Sorted. We was wet this morning till about 11:30. It were all right. So I'd shower, had a little bit of fine rain. You know what I mean? It were all right. And now and then 1 o'clock onwards, especially the last half hour, peed it down, man. So I haven't really filmed. I filmed, but I haven't really like full on filmed it. Do you know what I mean? So yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. But once again, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for your support this week. Sorry, I've just got something in my pocket. Still made it. Thanks for your support this week. We are just getting a new tyre for Tom's car because it's a pothole. But yeah, the support on that Yorkshire Stone steps, brilliant, mate. Brilliant. Thank you, brilliant, mate. Brilliant. Thank you. I love it. I love doing that. Do you know? We might push it a bit more Yorkshire Stone. There's a few houses around that barn conversion thing, and all the characteristics in everybody's garden are Yorkshire Stone throughout. So we're chatting with them. One guy he's got my business cards and stuff like that. So hopefully more will come. But yes, guys, thank you once again, and I will see you all on Monday, 8 o'clock sharp.